You asked me before about what I think some of this means, or how might I respond. Well, I think one thing is that I think the term analytics is being used in lots of different ways to mean lots of different things. So I was speaking to someone this morning, and they're running a GRC project at the moment, looking at an organisational level about how to control their business risk. And they describe that as an analytics project. There's very little data involved, but it's about steering their business. And yet yesterday I was speaking to someone from a bank, and they're talking about capturing ever more detailed transactional data. And so there's a vast amount of data that they're capturing, and they again describe that, if you like, that upgrade in their data warehouse as an analytics project. So I think the term analytics is being used in a very broad way. I think to pick up on what I said about HANA, I think there's definitely an appetite to experiment with it. I think a number of people are either planning or in the process of experimenting with HANA in their own company, even where there's not yet a clear business problem there. So at the moment it seems to be something of a solution looking for a problem. And I think the other point, I mentioned about the confusion over BI tools and the roadmap. I think, so I was in a session yesterday where the speaker asked for a show of hands of people who have SAP BW today, and it was well over 80% of the audience. And then he asked people for a show of hands about business objects, and it was less than 20%. And that's taken 3 or 4 years to get to that point. And I think what that indicates is more fundamental changes, like potentially a fundamental change in the way a company's data warehouse is organised and structured, isn't going to happen overnight. I think it's going to take some time, and so I think there's no reason for people to, if they make their living today out of designing data warehouses, there's no reason that they're going to be out of a job tomorrow. Certainly.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.